Hey there! Ever looked up at all those stars and wondered where exactly we are out there? Okay, let's find our cosmic address together. It's gonna be a super fun adventure. So, our big journey starts right here, on our amazing home planet, Earth. And Earth isn't all by itself. It's in a neighborhood with other planets, all circling the sun. But get this, our sun is just one sparkly star in a gigantic city of stars. So, what's the name for one of these huge star cities? It's called a galaxy. It's a giant group of stars, gas, and dust all sticking together. And our galaxy has hundreds of billions of stars, just like our sun. That's a huge number. And this amazing star city we live in, it's called the Milky Way. And you know what's really cool? It's shaped like a giant sparkly pinwheel spinning around. Our galaxy has a bright center, a flat disk, and these really cool spiral arms.
You know, NASA scientists think the center looks like two fried eggs. Isn't that a funny way to imagine it?
Okay, so if the Milky Way is this giant pinwheel, where's our spot? Are we in the middle?
Actually, we live pretty far from the super bright center, out in one of the cozy spiral arms.
So let's put it all together. Our address is planet Earth in the solar system in the Orion Arm. And all of that is inside our amazing home, the Milky Way. This is our neighborhood in the universe.
Captain Astronomy, Milky Way.
Hey there! Before you leave, like, subscribe, and check the description for links.